GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is ktimes.co.za. It's TS Galaxy nil, Kaizer Chiefs nil. Omunye umuntu angathi surprised xa nothebelile I win on any of these teams kule fixture Chucks because the fixture dating back to from 2019. Kulapho qala khona uDibane's team kwi-Nedbank Cup final, remember, Zakhele Basa last minute penalty, but then following season TS Galaxy were promoted. Kulapho khona badlala khona I-draw their first fixture, but the Kaizer Chiefs won this first fixture in 13 games between TS Galaxy since 2019 and Kaizer Chiefs. There's only been 2 league wins, 1 apiece. But then TS Galaxy ngathi mhlawumbe ne-advantage xa sidibanisana la game ye-Nedbank Cup, but ezinye games 10 games has been draws like xa udibanisana le yanamhlanje enye i-draw, so i-team noko i-fixture noko le yanamhlanje edume nge-draws. But xa besibukele Sharks, there were so many opportunities for Kaizer Chiefs to win this game. First half and also in the second half, if I'm not mistaken, second half, but a lot of opportunities were in the first half. Kaizer Chiefs, where they should have just wrapped it up. But 0-0, Chucks. In 4 games, 4 official games for Kaizer Chiefs, you've only scored 2. You scored against Zamalek, you scored against Al Masry. Now, you haven't scored in the Betway Premiership against Chipa and also Namhlanje. But when I'm Chucks, Namhlanje won.
Yeah, Shane, regular Shane, who's about Tompego Lapeni, champion himself, Masulim Machara Mutogana, could you say Justo, could you say Bomb Squad, Lindoza, Bobza, could you say Ngulegan? Yeah, today just maybe thought that it doesn't want to come in to some interviews. When it's 0-0 sometimes. Yeah, but what can we say, my friend? Yeah,
one of those days, Chucks.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, coming to the game, Jane, disappointing results for the Pevini Klama boys. We should have collected maximum points away from TS Galaxy. Yeah, because when I entered this room or this studio before the game, I spoke with Lindo. Lindo said then TS Galaxy is very, very strong, not Bob Zane. But due to the performance that I've seen, I was just wondering, is this the strongest team, Galaxy, against Kaizer Chiefs? But that's what I'm saying. I didn't see any strongest team against the Klama boys. But yes, it was maybe based on what they did before with some other teams. That is what they were saying that. But the chances that we created in the first half, Chabalala, he should have done better there, looping the ball from that keeper. He couldn't connect with the ball, and also with the lineman, he didn't do as good there, my friend. To me, it was a goal. Silva, what a finish, and what a pass from Matlow. He's gradually improving Matlow. A good pass from him, and what a finish from again Silva as well.
Chucks, that was the only chance. Yangena enetin namhlanje.
Absolutely.
Ulasman what offside. Yeah. But that strong replays. Silva was on.
Yeah, he was.
Meaning that as new games, they are decided by small margins.
Absolutely.
VAR, Chucks, the call for VAR.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, indeed. But we can't just call VAR when we are not when the ref. It didn't give Amakosi or maybe a goal.
Yeah.
But the VR, but still in the PSL, all in all, we need the VR so that the VR can decide the game, not the linesman or maybe the referee, and also check the Daman when he did to Solomon inside the box. If you saw it, penalty, my friend. That was a clear penalty. The ref didn't give it. Lineman didn't give the goal. Also, the ref didn't give it a penalty. It was a clear penalty. First half, we dominated TS Galaxy, yes, as they played only 5 minutes towards the end of the first half. But all in all, my brother, we dominated. The changing style of Amakosi, even the starting 11 of Amakosi, changed once again. Solomon back in where he belongs again. I was happy that Solomon was there because he keeps on performing. You remember? Because you can't put someone on the bench while he's busy performing. So what a performance from him once again on the field of play. But all the players from Amakosi, they played very well, very, very, very well.
Chucks, there were a debut namhlanje
Yeah.
for Luke Bartman.
Yes.
I remember at the beginning of the season, kwakho ola khotwana between iKaizer Chiefs and Cape Town Spurs.
Yeah.
Kwahiwe's court, PSL DRC. Yathi no Spurs release abantwana bodlala iKaizer Chiefs, but the Spurs saqhubekeka. Chucks ekugqibeleni iKaizer Chiefs iphele izifumana zombini ezo players uvele by no Luke Bartman. Uyayibona a reason why your team fought for those two players?
Absolutely. Let me give it to management this time around, especially the players that they've signed. We know we have quality. We have players that can take shifts to the promised land, which is to take the Betway Premiership.
Chucks and Chucks.
To unseat those other people there at the top. So sometimes we just need that little bit of luck. You can even see it against Chippa as well. But sometimes they say we must force the luck, indeed. But against Chippa, you see, we should have won that game. Even today against TS Galaxy, we should have won this game, my brother. That's what I'm saying, we need luck. But that's what I'm saying, all in all, my brother, we give it to HS management. The players that we have, as we've mentioned, Velebai and Batman, even though we didn't see much of him today, Batman, but I'm telling you, I heard some rumors that they wanted him to go to DDC. I said to myself, how can you fight for a player so
and
that
then send him to
my brother, you know. So, but I was happy to see him on the bench and even coming in the second half, even though he didn't have much minutes on the field of play. But very by quality, my brother, you can even see able to take on players, you know, have that vision as well. So that I'm saying credit to Kaizer Chiefs today. They played very well. Unfortunate part is we didn't get a result. We didn't even get a goal due to some circumstances from the ref and also to the linesman as well.
In the absence of Oxum Teto Chucks, Oqale season, and he's been giving some solid performances for Nina this season. One of your most important players for Kaizer Chiefs. But when he got injured, remember before the game against Chippa, you guys introduced Ulebu, my boy. And naye bonakala ngathi uzisenje something new with Kaizer Chiefs, something fresh. Umbona njani Chucks?
No, you know, Mabuye, what a quality, my brother. Gale is not there. Remember when Gale came to Kaizer Chiefs, he was playing very well, but I'm not sure what happened with him. But I can see Mabuye, what a player. Whether he's playing with Mutaya or he's playing with Maklo, you can even see now he's playing with anyone. His performance, he's giving his all the time. Against previous games, against Chippa, he gave his all. Even today against TS Galaxy, he's got that vision, my brother. The passing, the marking, all those kind of things, my friend. To me, Mabuye is one of the players that we need. That's what I'm saying. Today, at least if Sirino was there as well, I can even agree with Junior. If Sirino was there, we could have maybe talking a different story, my brother. We need that kind of an experience so that we try to make sure that you put the ball in the back of the net. They played very well, even in the second half. Even though we didn't have much, especially shot on target in the second half. But I can tell you, we deserve this, my brother. We deserve 3 points.
Chucks is at the end of the season, where you guys were not scoring a lot of goals. You won your first 3 matches, league matches, if I'm not mistaken, but you were not scoring goals, winning games by 1-0. But then Yonke Londo yachincha when you guys were playing against Makesi. I was Orbit, where you beat Orbit 4-1. And then Gogo Chucks seems like the Pinile back, Glando you score because after Orbit, you guys played against Al Masry, where you lost 2-1, Zamalek 1-1, then the previous 2 league matches 0-0. Kwenzeka ntoni ngoku Chucks? Because I thought maybe you guys have found your scoring boots. But it seems like amanqaku now afunuza once again.
Yeah, China spoke about the luck. Before I check it, that is why we created a lot of chances, but we couldn't put the ball in the back of the net. It's a little bit of luck, my brother. We have strikers. We have Mayo there. You see the dimension that he brought there in the Chiefs squad. You know what a player as well. Even now, Silva is here as well, making those runs, making those touches. That I'm saying, we need that luck to put the ball in the back of the net. Yes, we are trying. We're lacking that, my friend. We need that so that we can have more goals. Yes, we scored goals before, but this time around we were lacking that the final touch, the final third, just to make sure that we win the game. So, but we need to work on it. Even Vilakazi as well, the free kicks. Mfundo Vilakazi, to me, at training, when the training is finished, he must stay back so that he can be able to, to practice. To practice those set pieces, my brother. Because they are always giving him those set pieces. We need him to make sure that he put the ball in the back of the net all the time.
Usilva looked threatening when Chucks. Also, remember when he scored that disallowed goal. Even in the second half, we bonakala against a goal, but he was substituted, I would think, midway through the second half. Do you think mhlambi ukhutshwe early? Do you think if mhlambi bemlike more time, ukuthi ahlale mhlambi would have eventually gotten the goal?
Yeah, I thought maybe they will leave maybe a Silva or maybe they will leave Mayo on the field of play. But you took two strikers. What do you expect now? You understand? But even if he took Mayo, but he was supposed to leave. To me, he was supposed to leave Silva on the field of play. Because we have Belabai now as well. So and Abomatlo, they're still there as well. That can create chances. And when they're still there. But that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you take chances as an assistant coaches. Take chances, you know. But they took their chances, but we couldn't get a goal, my brother. But disappointing results once again change. But to Amakosi, a well-performing Amakosi today. Let's hope that this break is not going to break the performance that we've seen today against TS Galaxy. Let's come back to Tlama Boys with a strong mentality and make sure that we collect maximum points. The only thing that they must work on it from now on is to score goals, my brother. That's all what we need. Performance, great performance against, especially all the players. 11 players on the field of play, even together with the keeper, he made some save there as well. Yeah. They should have got a goal there in the second half. So all of them, they played very well, my brother. So go. We are going into this break. Let's come back refreshed, or everything, so that we make sure that we score goals. Amakosi, you know what I'm saying? They played very well, Shane, and all the best to them as well.
Well, Tax, thank you so much for your analysis. Sibukele umdlalo ke we-Betway Premiership. It was match day 13 for Kaizer Chiefs. Bebedlala ke ne-TS Galaxy eMbombela Stadium. Decent crowd. Bephumile kabantu on a Sunday. Abanye basuka koma-Joburg, abanye from Polokwane, as far as Polokwane, because I think I saw it takes esuke Polokwane is here eMbombela yamakhosi namhlanje. That yathanda le team, Charles. Yathanda le team. But ke namhlanje eMbombela it does TS Galaxy 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.